I'm Sian. It's great to see you again. I am currently in Ligezhuang, Qingdao, in which there are over 1,000 upstream and downstream enterprises in the fashion industry.
And Qingdao, Ligezhuang is making the world aware of it through its leading fashion industry.
A baseball cap, originally used to promote the sport of baseball, nowadays is a very popular and fashionable item of clothing. And here where I'm standing
Produces over 1/3 of baseball caps made worldwide,
and many popular brands such as YSL, New Era and Polo Ralph Lauren. Wow, really incredible. The production of this 6-piece baseball cap usually relies on manual labor, but here in China, Qingdao, we have entered an era of intelligence. I'm here at Qianfeng Cap Art Company, where they have achieved over 82 patents. Just look at their incredible achievements. It's truly amazing.
We can see that the main processes for producing baseball caps are now completed by machines.
By 2025, this company will be fully automated. Here at the factory, the clients really have an endless choice of fabric. I mean, just look how beautiful and vibrant these colors and pattern designs are. Different types of fabric to suit different types of styles. For example, power mesh is perfect for kind of sportswear or sports caps. Here at Qianfeng Cap Art, they even have their own brand, Do Days, up here. And if you go to their website, you can design your very own custom baseball cap. Let's give it a try. Here is my final design, inspired by the TV show Charming Qingdao, who I've been working with this summer, and my school logo, Malvern College Qingdao. And this website is fantastic. You can see it's fully customizable from the style, the fabrics, the patterns. You can even change the color of the eyelets. I hope that soon one of my students can design a hat and be put in production. Okay, see you next time.